Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare cauliflower flatbread or full gobi ka paratha. Full gobi ka paratha, what all ingredients we need? Here we need cauliflower. I have grated cauliflower this is finely grated cauliflower. This is a 1 green chili, ginger and coriander leaf finely chopped. Then we need some carom seeds, salt according to the taste. Okay, and yes, as we are making Indian flatbread, in the sense paratha, so we need whole wheat flour dough also. So I have shown in my previous video how you can knead the dough. So you can click on that link and go to that video and check how you can knead a dough. As you can see, I have already prepared a whole wheat dough here. Okay, as you can see, so it's ready. So now we will directly go to the part of how we will fill these parathas. First of all, we will mix ginger, green chili, coriander. Now to this I will be adding carom seed or ajwain. Okay, ajwain and ginger, it's very good for your digestion. Okay, so our mixture is ready. As you can see, the tawa, I'll just switch on the gas, keep in a medium flame. Meanwhile, from this I'll take one ball. Make a roll. For dusting, this is a dry wheat flour. Excessive, I'll just dust and take it out, and then from the corners I'll make it thin, but from the center it will be thick. The mixture, this is a prepared mixture. Okay, from this mixture I'll take 2 spoons. Now to this 2 spoon I'll add salt. So here I am using Himalaya pink salt. You can use a normal salt also. And now I'll fill this. Now we will close the corners like this. flatten it like this, and then in the dry flour like this. Now on this, roll it. See, not on the center but on the sides, and with very light hand I am doing. And as we are making filling paratha, so it will be little thicker side. Tawa is also ready. I'll just put it here. Okay. So without oil, we will fry on both the side for 2 minutes. Now I'll again flip it like this. Now you can see small brown bubbles. So now I'll add, and here I am adding olive oil, but you can add ghee. Okay, it's your preference what you want to add. So now in a plate I will take this out and I'll show you. Can you see the paratha? Nicely cooked. See the corners also, it's cooked nicely. From the center also. I'll make all the parathas and then I'll show you.